2 turbos, 1 car, lots of parts, and we are racing tomorrow.
I'll show the picture, but this wheel is all messed up. And over here you can kind of tell it was messed up. So he took that big old hammer, got her all straightened out again.
I don't know what it is about freaking trailers and wheels. I go through those like crazy. I don't know, man.
That's weird.
I think I just go to heaven when I'm eating that kolache. I just forget when I'm
We're mowing down on Buc-ee's, and the next time we hear is rolling on 3, but that's okay.
Yeah, I've done worse.
The winner's going to get a trophy. Then we have Doug Lowe, who has been at 8:14, trying to get a 7-second pass out of this 4-door.
Welcome back to racing. We're here at Houston Raceway Park at the Quick 30 event that we've been trying to come to for this is the 5th time it's been rescheduled, and it's just completely unlucky on the weather that it just didn't hit every time that the event was scheduled. But here we are, finally gonna make those test passes that we need. I'll probably make 1 hit, maybe probably a second hit, and that's probably all I'm gonna push the car. So yeah, that's it. That's all we're here for, just to make those 2 passes, and then we'll get out. But hopefully it goes well, no problems. Leaving the tune-up alone from the last time. The only difference now is it's prepped well, and I have a new set of tires on the back, so that should really help the traction issue that we had last time. It should hook and go. I might have to turn it up a little out of the hole, but for the most part, it's ready to go. And then Colin's here. If you haven't seen Colin, make sure you go subscribe to his YouTube channel, Door Slammer's Garage. There you go. And you're all washed out because the sun's right there.
He almost jumped in the contention for the trophy. What a pass. He's still got time to cool it down and try it again. But there we go.
So it went into second gear fine. Like I knew coming in, I knew that the trans was going to be suspect. Second gear, it revved up real fast. I think it just blew through the clutches, is my guess. But I tapped second gear and then put it into third, and then it just kind of flatlined. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to see in the data, that it just flatlines there. But other than that, the pass felt good. The 60 felt good. I don't know what I ran. We'll see what I ran. But other than that, a decent, yeah, a decent pass. Got some data. Let's go.
Got the 7. Yeah. 794.
Huh?
794.
I had no idea.
Really? They didn't give you a slip?
Well, no, it's virtual slips. But I didn't tune it for the 7.
Really?
Yeah.
He's just like,
I thought it was going to be an 8.5 or 8.6.
no, he's just like, I don't think anybody's going to be competing in the GM class. He's just like, looks like everyone's got it wrapped up. And then you go out and run a 7. He's like, I stand corrected. That was funny.
Alright, back to the 7th. Starting off 2021 good.
Again.
And the problem is it's still got that trans issue. Like
Yeah.
it went good, got out of the hole, which I knew. I was running 8.3s on this tune-up, but the 64 was horrible because it was tired and just done.
Right. No, this one,
So,
you
same thing, same tune-up, just new tires. It got out of the hole, as you can see. And that's all I needed was 6
Right. Yeah. No, it totally did the whole back half separation deal. And it looked good. It looked really good.
It clicked first, I clicked second, it got into second, but it went to second.
I know.
It went to second quick.
You can hear it.
And I can feel it in third, it just flatlines. And you'll see the data. It's just, it's not climbing, which it should be. And that's because there's some sort of issue between second and third. It could be the stator, it's probably the clutches as well.
Gotcha.
That's good to see that it ran a 7 again.
Yeah.
It's capable.
Heck yeah.
That's it. I think I lost the trans. I think I lost the trans. I just want to make sure I'm not leaking nothing.
All right. No, you're good. No fluid.
All right.
Watch your face, Joseph.
It didn't catch the gear. I shifted and it didn't catch the gear. But I knew immediately that I need to pull over just in case it's leaking anything. But no, it's totally good to go.
Not happy.
And then I tried to click it there, and it still wasn't there. Hey, really not a bad way to end today. I mean, the car's in one piece, so kind of. I mean, the transmission's hurt, but it is what it is. I mean, we messed up 2 wheels, and we're kind of limping back home. But I mean, it could be worse. It really could be worse. So I'm not tripping. I'm gonna get the transmission now. We're gonna get my buddy Josh to rebuild it, look for a new converter, and then I know this year we're gonna get a new PB out of this car. We're gonna take this thing home, get it fixed up, and go from there. We're gonna do what, Colin? We're gonna do what?
Get back to work.
Get
broke this thing.
Yeah, that's true.